Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys this two movie, Coraline and Paranorman. So I like Coraline better than Paranorman. So yeah, which day do I want 9 or Coraline or Nightmare from Christmas? Something. Paranorman stink. But Paranorman it did got touched up, so we got it. That's kind of cool. I love the front of Coraline. It's cool. Oh. So it said to something collection. Yes, a collection. So here's the front. We did Coraline. And there's Paranorman. What's this about that? So here's Coraline. Fine, I'll show you this Paranorman 2. So this came out in 2018. Yeah. There's 2-pack. Yeah, there's 2-pack. So here's this one with the Coraline, my favorite. And let's do the Paranorman. Now I love Paranorman, I love it, but it did boring up for a while. Now Coraline is very good for Halloween. Yeah, Coraline. Paranorman is the same thing. Paranorman is a good Halloween. It's about ghosts, zombies. So Norman right here have to save. Have to do something. And then this boy right here bullies him. It's just a great movie. It's okay. I'll do a 5 out of 10. But I would do this a 10. So thanks for watching. Bye.